So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you do all of that, you should now be able to run the Windows 11 installation assistant. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once we're here, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will work for you.